The developer of Capestone in Brisbane, Australia, decided to create a sports area with basketball, ping pong, and a gym area because of the very active residents in the estate.
It's one of the largest parks we do have in the Capestone estate, and offering the gym equipment here has been a fantastic amenity for customers to make great use of.
The landscape architect requested that KOMPAN design a fitness area for the park.
Within a day they came back with designs, and I'd come back and tweak some arrangements. I wanted to add more seating space and stuff like that. They were happy to move everything around, and within a day it was sorted and the plan was back in front of me.
The outdoor gym was installed, and the landscape architect was very satisfied with the result.
It's turned out really well. The community really loved the idea and get behind it. There's lots of people always using it. It's good for personal training. I think one of the big advantages was the smart technology and the apps. People can get out there and plan their own workout, and they seem to be loving that.
It is something that we could plan on doing in other developments, particularly after how well it's been received here in Capestone. The gym equipment's been a real hit.